Hey guys, Jade from Jade's Fluid Art, doing a 20 by 30 today, and what I'm going to do is a kiss pour, which is new for me. I haven't done one before, so let's give it a go. Alright, another monochrome. So I have got Mont white. I'm leaving this paint quite thick today, thicker than I normally would for me, so hopefully not too much bleeding of the colours. So Mont white, I've got J Burrows, no I apologise, this is Reeves Paynes grey. Such a gorgeous colour. It's got a blue grey, it's just beautiful. And then Global Silver, and this is thicker than my other colours. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to go in a diagonal across here. So I see Naptime Creations, she does these a lot and I absolutely love them. And one more thing. My pouring medium today is my usual pouring medium. 600 mils of Flotrol, 300 mils of Holcroft pouring medium, and 1 to 150 mils of the GAC 800. So I use that in every pour, and then a little bit of water if needed. Okay. So, I don't find these cups easy to pour out of because I've got such a thick rim, but we'll give it a go. So I'm going to start with my white. Definitely thicker than my norm. And then we'll go Paynes grey. So do a couple of layers. Silver. Not too much of that. More white. I want more white in this than I do the Paynes grey. Oh, that's just going down the side. Another white. So this cup, I'm going to start with the, should I start with the Paynes grey and do different? No, stick to my original. I want more white than I do the other colours. Can't remember now, to be totally honest, that this is about 800 mils that I needed for this size canvas. I'll link it in my description down below. So there's some white. Go with the Paynes grey. Some silver. I just love how the Paynes grey dries. It's such a unique colour. Right, let's move these out of the way. That white is sinking. I'm just going to try and do okay. All right, I'm just going to turn this on a bit of an angle for a second. Let's see. Well, let's give it a go. Oops. So they need to touch at the sides. I might be going too fast. Way too fast. I might have to go back across. Oh, it's harder than it looks. Yeah, let's go through again. Why not? That is so much harder than it looks. Quite surprised at how hard that was. Might leave that there. That looks so good, doesn't it? This will be interesting. I feel like you're just going to lose all of that straight off there. Probably are. What I'm going to do to help that spread along, I'm going to take some of my white, just so that I don't lose all of the colour. I'm going to thin this down. So I'm just going to take the rest of my white, I'm going to thin it down with some water, fair bit of water. Okay, that's way too much water. That was silly. Chuck some more white in. Okay. Give it a good mix. Don't worry about the mess. This will just get poured off, so that's fine. It just stops the paint rolling over itself. So I'm just going to pour along here. All right, come around here. I guess we just go for it. Just do not know how to. Let's just do it. Okay, more white. I'd rather lose my white. Gosh, you lose a lot doing it diagonal, don't you? Bring it straight back. Oh wow. Oh, you lose so much doing it that way. I'm not a fan of that. All right, let's just stretch it all down to the other corner. I know I had more than enough paint, but I've lost a lot of it. I've lost so much. I do love the look of the kiss paw. I do love it. But this just leaves you the one option, doesn't it? Let's just go in there. I need this bit to be covered. Alright, so we're getting there. There's just not a lot of paint left to bring it back. That's my concern. That looks fantastic though, doesn't it? So I missed this corner. Just going to chuck some white there. Get that to touch. Let's see if we can bring it back some. I'm not sure that I'll be able to. There was not much paint left on there. Let's see, is it moving? No, not really. Well, I love the end result. What I'm going to do, there's so much paint wasted on there, I'm going to scoop that all up into a cup, and that can be my base on my next pour. That was too good to waste, that one. There we go. I'll give it a quick go with the heat gun, pop any bubbles. Hopefully I don't really get any cells, because I think that will ruin the look. Really nice. I do like the effect. Just checking out my sides, see if I've missed anywhere. I've missed here, so first thing to do this is I'm going to scrape this part up, see what I can get. You want it as much as possible to be the same colour. Not always easy. Alright, so drag this underneath get all the excess paint from underneath. That way, that was going to stop pulling the paint off the top now. Yeah. I am happy with it. I just wish it was a little bit more balanced. So some of the more, you've got the thicker bands of colour than you do over here. But that's really pretty. And I will definitely do that again. Alright, so I'll say thanks to Naptime Creations for the inspiration on that one. And I'll bring you in.